Hello everyone. Often I was asked what are Vietnamese dessert. So here you are. This one is called pig skin cake. But nothing about pig here. You just follow me and find out. Please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigoncook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my video and subscribe. I'm sharing everything I know here, so please support me. So this is the recipe on the screen. I will make the batter for two kinds of layers here. The purple one and the yellow one. The yellow one is from mung bean and the purple one is from a kind of leaves that I extracted naturally to have purple color to make this cake. So the first layer, now I started mixing. I mix the coconut juice, coconut cream with rice flour, and now I mix the mung bean into coconut cream, and I mix yellow sugar into coconut as well. So everything for this layer I separate in one group here, and your purpose is finally you will have a smooth batter without any lumps, and we will get ready for the next step. You can see now it's very lumpy right now, but after you use the sieve or you use a blender to help you to break down the mung beans, but make sure that don't blend the tapioca flour, because it will lose the chewiness a little bit. Now let's go into the purple. You can refer to my other video how to extract this kind of liquid, the color purple. I have a special video you can explore. So for this layer I make a tempering. I use this purple water, add salt and sugar, and I will add some of the tapioca flour into it, and then I will cook it. So that called tempering. The benefit of doing so, make your cakes become pliable, chewy, soft, and didn't separate, and you can have the cake soft and tender and chewy like after you made them hot for 2 days. That's the benefit of this tempering. So I'm cooking the liquid on the medium heat now, and this is the batter that after I mix everything. So I introduce the two of them together, and you can turn up the heat now. You don't want to cook the whole thing, and mix, and that's it. After you mix both batters, you let them rest for 20 minutes for them to be bloom. And now you prepare the steamer over medium heat, and you heat the mold into it so that the mold get hot. Before you pour layer into the cake mold, you add 1 tablespoon to each batter. The reason is you want your cake smooth and blistering, not dull. And the oil will help you to release the cake after you cook them. So I also oil the mold. For the mold, you can use silicone mold or whatever mold do you have, because after you're done, it's fairly easy for you to release the cake from the mold. So you don't need to be fearful about you cannot get them out. So this is my first layer. I use 2 ladles, but it's up to you. You can do thicker or thinner layer. If you do thinner, you will make more layer. If you do thicker layer, you will do less layer and less time. So for my 2 ladles, it took me 4 minutes for the layer to cook. You can see the color, the appearance is totally different from with the batter when you pour in. For me, it took 4 minutes, but it depends on your layer. It can be longer or shorter. Now I'm ready for the mung bean layer. I do 2 ladles as well because I want them layer evenly. So for each layer you add 1 minute more to cook. But the rule of thumb, after you open your lid, you will see the appearance of them, no liquid left. And if you're not so sure, you can use the toothpick to stick in, and the toothpick come out clear. Now this is my last layer, so you can realize that I'm used the first layer and the last layer purple. I like it that way, but I will have another cake only mung bean layer and 1 last layer. So it comes out very nice. And this is the second day that I stuck them into the fridge and remove and cut them. Very nice, and I'm happy about that. Thank you for watching. I see you soon. Bye bye.